Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the foldable and dual screen devices on Android operating system. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in technology and on Android operating system. So let's start, friend. First of all, I request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. First of all, we have to understand that, friend, Android. What is Android actually? Android is an operating system developed by Google, and it is based on the Linux based operating system, and it is a open source operating system. Now first we shall discuss in detail foldable devices on Android operating system. Friend, foldable means that these are the devices which are basically foldable, or foldable means that the screen can be bended without any damages to the screen. Okay, so foldable devices running on the Android operating system are smartphones, tablets equipped with flexible display that can be folded or bended. Android provides a platform for manufacturers to develop and customize their foldable devices. So these are this is an example of a foldable device in which the screen is bended without any damage or issue in the display. Now we shall discuss in detail the key aspects of foldable devices on Android. First one is the flexible display technology. Friend, these devices use advanced technology like OLED or AMOLED that allow the screen to be bent without causing any damage to the display. These displays are typically made of materials that can withstand repeated folding and unfolding technology. Then multi-display modes mean that foldable devices in Android can support various display modes like folded, unfolded and partial folded states. Android provides APIs, application programming interface, to support apps to adopt their layout behavior based on the current display mode. That means, for example, if it is a folded state, so it will display it accordingly as well. So there is no problem or issue in the display in the folded state of a device. Then next is the hinge integration. Android accommodates the hinge mechanism that facilitates the folding action. The software is designed to recognize the different states of device, folded, unfolded, and adjust the user interface accordingly as well. So there will be no issue in the UI of the app as well. So this is a very great feature of the Android operating system. Continuity and resizing. Friend, there are different states. Apps can resize, reposition or adopt their layout dynamically to make the most of the available screen space. So if you are folding the device or you are unfolding the device, so there will be no issue, although will be no problem in the display. Like, it will adjust the display as per the current state of the device. So it is so much intelligent that it will adjust the space accordingly. Then app ecosystem. Friend, Android developers has different access to tools, resources to create apps that are optimized for foldable devices, and this includes various screen sizes, resolutions and aspect ratios as well. So you can understand that there is no issue in the software development for the foldable devices as well, as it's a new technology. So it's a highly demandable technology, so developers are currently working on these types of devices as well. Now we shall discuss about next is the dual screen devices on Android. So friend, dual screen, if you just see here, dual screens means that two screens are displaying on simultaneously, and we can work on them accordingly as well. So it's a basically feature of Android to two separate displays that can be used simultaneously for various tasks. These devices can come in different form factors like tablets, detachable secondary screen, laptops with dual screens, smartphones with additional display. Simply, and when we talk about dual screen devices, we are talking about two screens with separate displays, and you can work on those two screens simultaneously. For example, I can work on this screen separately, and work on this screen separately. So this is a one device, but there are two displays. So we shall discuss in detail the aspects and features of the dual screen devices. First one is the dual display support. It enables apps to interact with both screens independently or in coordination. This includes APIs, again, application programming interfaces, for managing multiple displays, detecting screen states, and handling input events as well simultaneously. You can notice that you are working on simultaneously here on two separate screens here. Then screen modes and configuration. Dual screen devices offer different modes, like extending the desktop, using one screen as a keyboard or input device, a second for the display, or utilizing both screens for separate tasks. Android provides the tools for developers to create apps that leverage these configurations. So screen modes and configurations are very big feature of Android operating system. App continuity and interaction. Android ensures that apps can seamlessly transition between single screen and dual screen modes. App can adopt their user interface to make the best use of the available screen real estate and provide a smooth user experience. Hardware integration. Uh, friend, the Android accommodates the hardware components, including hinge or attachment mechanism. This allows the screens to be positioned in different configurations. This software is designed to recognize and respond to changes in the device physical state as well. So it will recognize the state of the device. Like for example, if there is a dual screen display, so it will adjust the display accordingly as well. So this application according to the APIs are so much intelligent that they will adjust the display of the app accordingly. If you are dual screen, if you are single screen, or you are, for example, you are inputting on one screen and displaying on the second screen. So it is so much device is so much intelligent that it will act accordingly as well. Then productivity and multitasking. To enhance productivity by allowing user to perform multiple tasks simultaneously, it will include viewing multiple apps side by side, using one screen for content creation and other for reference material and more. For example, you can Google on one screen, and then on the second screen you can use it for e-commerce store, for example. So, or you can purchase any product from e-commerce store. So you can do multiple tasks on the dual screen, so it will increase your productivity level as well. Or for example, you are creating a business case document, for example. So on one screen you are creating a business case document in Word, and on the second screen you have opened the chat GPT and you are basically reviewing your content on the chat GPT. So on dual screens can be used for multitasking. This is the biggest feature of it. Then manufacturers of Android devices have the flexibility to innovate and create unique foldable and dual screen form factors, leveraging the Android platform's capabilities to deliver novel user experience. This diversity in hardware options encourages creativity and choices for consumer as well. So friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.